They like, Kato, why you do that?
I fuck up that second and go get it back. Some shit I was taught as a young.
For real.
My little bitch a brat, I told her relax. I'm too busy chasing his money. My niggas some apes, they strung with them drakes. Just know we grew up in the dungeon. My nigga ain't Houdini, they callin' it magic. The way I turn nothing to something.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Big Rambo, the OG Rambo. And we back again. So, if you've seen by the title, yes, NAS100 blessed your boy. And we're going to do a trade breakdown today. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you feeling. Let me know if y'all caught some NAS or some good setups today during London and New York. I'm bringing these bangers back out, back to back. So, let's get to the charts, man. All right. So I'm gonna just go all the way back to. Let's take everything off, and let's go right back to it. We're gonna do replay mode today. So let's start about 130. So I started looking at the charts around 130. I didn't have this on either. I didn't have my 50 SMA on. Started looking at the charts about 130. I knew from the previous day that, we were very bullish. So I was like, all right. So I was looking at NAS and GU. GU, I did take a trade and I lost. And so I started looking at NAS because I want to see if NAS moved good during London. So I did take a sell at first. What time is this? 1:40. Yeah, so it was around right here. I did take a sell when I seen this and I seen the rejection, and then I seen this come back down. I took a sell right here. So I was in a sell, and you can see that it was going in profit. I had the stops to right here anyway. This was before this. I had a sell, and I don't know. I just felt like looking at price action. We still had allowed this to fill. It was all open area, so I knew we were bullish though. But I felt like it was gonna come back down to at least right here somewhere. So I was gonna ride it down. You see, I went into profit briefly, and then as I got to right, like somewhere right here, I noticed we made a support that can't be broken. You see that? We made a support that couldn't be broken. Let's go in. And when I seen that, and it came back up after rejected right here, I immediately got out. I think I took like a small loss. So I'll put it a screenshot right here in the video. I took a small loss, and I immediately entered right here on the break of this candle. So, boom, boom, we in. I want it stops down here, and just look left. Where could we go? I knew we could take out this liquidity, so I had this marked up. I had this marked up too, and then I'm just looking left. I was on the 5 minute, but then I had to go to the hour because I couldn't see too much. So as I go to the hour and reset the chart, I see all this area right here. So now I'm marking it could get up here, and we still got price to fill in this right here, this gap. So I'm moving way up here. Stop loss is 20 pips, and I'm risking see, and this was the thing though. This was the thing. I was on I'm on my funded account. I was on my funded account, and I didn't know as far as how Nas moved on the funded account because I didn't know what lot size to put. So, you know, going back and I was just like, I was gonna slap 20 lots on my positions, but I said I'll just keep it at 10 like I trade with my Forex pair. So I just kept it at 10, and yeah. So let's go back down to the 5. As we go back to the 5, once I seen this, I was like, okay, we here. Like, it rejected it again, shot back up in profit. By this time, you see London started. So it was volatile during London. I slapped my 50 SMA on there. See that we're reaching it to test it. Once I got this, I was like, okay, now we're getting comfortable, but I'm looking for my last confirmation right here. I need this to break and hold. I was confident in the trade once I seen this though. Keep looking with me. What do we make? What do we make right there? Demand. We had demand right here. Tapped perfectly into the box. I could have got a re-entry right here, but I was already in a good amount of position. So I was like, okay, I'm good. Once I got this break and it tested it and stayed above it, set my stops, stayed in it, made another demand, tapped perfectly in it, could have got another entry off here, and yeah, the rest was history. The rest was history. So I did end up moving stops to break even. And then when I'm looking right here, I'm looking at another support. I'm seeing another support. And once it rejected right here, this is where I move my stops under here. I move stops under here. So now risk-free trade. Stops were under here. And I closed my phone. I closed the phone. By this time right here, I was up, I think, 2,000, 2,500. And yeah, the trade just went crazy. I finally laid down, went to sleep, woke up. What time is this? I'm gonna show you what time, where I was at when I woke up. Excuse me. 6:45. This is when my alarm went off. I immediately turned off my alarm, checked my phone. Right here, I was up 5,000. So I was up 5,000. Stops were right here, and it just left. So now I'm looking, and I'm just like, let me see if the higher time frame correlates with this. Boom. Now we're trading in this gap, which I love. Looked at the 4 hour. 4 hours holding and very strong. And then I said, let me look at the daily. Let me see. When I went to the daily, y'all, I got so excited when I went to the daily. What did we make right here on the daily? We made a demand on the daily. Tapped into it. You wouldn't have got an entry till right here. And this is when I entered the trade. I entered the trade basically off a break of a daily candle. So I was in at the perfect move. I entered the trade at the break of a daily candle. It couldn't have got no better, man. It just couldn't have. It just couldn't have. By this time, I'm still watching, I'm still trading. Haven't closed any positions. And yeah, when New York came, of course, you know, it became volatile. I stayed in. Held. Let me see, where did we get to? We got in about right here is when I started to like, I just get tired of holding. This one I was up about $7,000 to $8,000. I got tired of holding, so I did get. Let me see. I can see. Yeah, my exit was 14,991. So I'll put that in the screenshotting the video as well. And I closed the charts, go to sleep. I made 8K, but as the trade kept going, I wake up and see real time trade is literally right here from TP. I literally could have held this trade. I left about, I'm not gonna say, I left about maybe 4,000 to 5K on the day. I left it on the table. I'm not gonna dwell on it, but you know, I am blue about it, but I'm not gonna dwell on it because I had an 8K day. I had an 8K day. And it was just a great day, man. Like, I took this trade in London. I held it for so long. I was going on 12 hours when I closed it, and I was just like, I'm not a swing, and so I got out of it. And let me show you the account right now. We do have 7 days left, and you know, I haven't been trading like that. I'm currently up 10,000. This is what we made today, and yeah. So we got 3% more, and just looking to make it real quick. Hopefully, not looking to do too much. Not gonna gamble. Probably gonna lower my lots for the next 7 days. But my Forex funds is good with giving you extensions. Longer you're in profit, they will give you extensions, or most time give you extension. You know, if you're close to like the 200, they'll probably just restart you and make you do the whole count over again. But this, I could ask for an extension if I don't complete in the 7 days, and they will let me keep going. But yeah, that's how the trade played out. And like I said, I caught this at the bottom of a daily break, and it was great. So yeah, that's all I got. Trade went well. I want you guys to tap into the stream, tap into my Instagram, tap into the YouTube channel. I'm trying to put out the content for you guys. So Rambo's value. I'm trying to give you some value with anything that I can. And yeah, so that's all I got. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's all I got. Peace.